Hi, welcome to our video on how to add Binance Smart Chain on MetaMask. In this video, we are using the Google Chrome web browser. Start by opening up the settings menu by clicking on the three dots. Go to More Tools, then click on Extensions. At the top left of the page, click on Extensions. At the bottom left of the screen, click on Open Chrome Web Store. In the search, type in MetaMask. Click on the first result you see. Make sure the extension is from MetaMask.io. Because we already have MetaMask installed, the blue button says Remove from Chrome. For new users, that button will say Install Extension. Click on that to proceed. When the installation is complete, click on the Fox icon at the top right of your web browser. Take a moment to set up a password and copy your backup codes. Save them to a safe place. Now that is done, let's proceed with the tutorial. Open MetaMask. By default, the Ethereum mainnet network is set. At the very top, click where it says Ethereum mainnet. From the expanded menu, click on Custom RPC. Fill out all of the fields you see from this video. Feel free to pause the video if you missed anything. After you are done, click on Save. You have successfully added Binance Smart Chain to your MetaMask wallet. If you want to fund your wallet with BNB coin, you can buy some from Binance. The link to Binance is in the description box below. Sign up or log into Binance. Mouse over the tab called Buy Crypto. Click on Credit, Debit Card. Here you will be able to enter the dollar amount for how much BNB coin you want to purchase. After your purchase is complete, head over to Wallet, then Fiat and Spot. Locate BNB, then click on Withdraw. Head back to your MetaMask wallet. With Binance Smart Chain selected, click on your account number. The account number is your wallet address for BNB. Go back to Binance and select Binance Smart Chain, BSC. Read carefully and answer each question until you finish. Enter the amount you would like to transfer, then click on Submit. Transfers can take anywhere from 1 minute to 30 minutes. Once your transfer is complete, you can head back over to your Binance Smart Chain wallet for confirmation. Now that you have funded your wallet, you can invest BNB coins on staking platforms. You can also trade BNB for Cake tokens on PancakeSwap. We hope this video was helpful. If you want the text version of this guide, visit the link in the description box below. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.